back onto trigonometric ratios. This is your turn. Again, you should hopefully have attempted these on your own and check your answers as we go. But I will go over these as this is great practice. So, for your turn, number 1, we have tangent of 75 equals x over 5. Again, just saying it's over 1. We're cross multiplying. X times 1 is x equal to 5 tangent of 75. You plug those right into your calculator and you're going to get hopefully approximately 18.660. Okay. Number 2, same thing. Put it over 1 if you were struggling to see this. You cross multiply. Again, I like to just do variables first. So 1 times x. So we get x equal to 7 cosine of 39. So x is going to approximately be, as you plug it into your calculator, 5.440. Okay, just remember, these are just good. Plug in your calculators. It's either multiplication or division. So number 3, once again, we are over 1. We're going to cross multiply. Multiply in variable first. I'm going to get y times sine of 27 equal to 6 times 1. To get y by itself, we divide by sine of 27 to be 6 over sine of 27. 6 divided by sine of 27, as you plug into your calculator, is approximately 13.216. Same process for number 4. Put it over 1. We're going to cross multiply. Variable first. Y times sine of 19 is equal to 14 times 1. So then I'm going to get y by itself. We divide by sine of 19. So y equals 14 divided by sine of 19. Plug it into your calculator and you should be getting 43.002. Okay? All right, just a few more of your turn. Just again to see all the possibilities of what you could be doing. 5 through 9, almost there. Once again, put it over 1. If you can't see it, cross multiply. Variable first. X times cosine of 11 is equal to 10 times 1. Get x by itself. Divide by cosine of 11 to have 10 divided by cosine of 11, which is approximately 10.187. Do this again for 6. Cross multiply, still understand there is a 1 underneath that tangent. Variables first, x times 1, x has to equal, again I like to put the lovely coefficient first, so 12 times tangent of 206, which means x is approximately 5.853. So it's just proportions, cross multiplication all the way through. 7 through 9, again, we're going to have to remember our so, ka, and toa based off of the information that's given to us. So looking at 7, our angle here is at angle A of 50.1. We have 5 as adjacent to our angle and x as our opposite. So we have O and A, so we are looking at tangent of toa. So that means we take tangent of our degree of 50.1, which is opposite over adjacent, x over 5, and we're going to solve for x. Same thing, we cross multiply our proportions. X times 1 is x equal to 5 tangent of 50.1, which means x is approximately 5.9799. So if you put 980, that is also okay. So again, we're just setting up our proportions based off of the information given to us from this picture. We're looking at angle B here of 60. We see that we are adjacent here for our x, and our 90 degree is opposite of our hypotenuse, which has been given. So we are at the so cosine. So we have cosine of 60 is equal to our adjacent x over h, which is x over 11. still put this over 1 so we can cross multiply. X times 1 is x. This is going to equal 11 cosine of 60. So x is approximately 5.5. Okay. Just make sure you're following along. Our last one for this set is number 9. We see that we've been given angle A of 41. We have x, which is adjacent to us, and 4, which is opposite to us. Our hypotenuse was not given. So this one is again tangent for our opposite over adjacent. So we have tangent of 41 equals opposite of 4 over adjacent of x. Still think of this as over 1. We cross multiply, variable first. X times tangent of 41 is equal to 4 times 1. We're going to divide by tangent of 41, so x equals 4 over tangent of 41. Plug that into your calculator and you're going to approximately get 4.601. Again, this was just your turn. So this is the end of part 3. Part 4 is word problems. So if you struggle with word problems, please make sure you follow along.